Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Copper CRM with Slack. All right. So first up, go and log into your Copper account. And then once you're in here, just go to the top left, click on your profile or profile name. All right. Click on it. And here, as you can see, we have the integrations section. So all you do is just click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, you'll have all of the available integrations right here. Okay. You want to scroll down and find Slack. There you go. Just click on connect like so, and there'll be a pop-up window. Just wait for it to fully load. And in this pop-up, you'll just give the necessary permissions. Okay. Now it says here, what will Copper be able to view? You can click on the drop down and read through this. Okay. And what will Copper be able to do? Like so. And where should Copper post? We're going to drop down and select the channel. Okay. For example, under general, and then just hit on allow. Wait for it. Now, if you're not logged in to your Slack account within the same browser, well, it will ask you to log in with your Slack account. As you might have noticed, I didn't have to do it because I already logged in my Slack account in this particular browser. Okay. So that's basically it. Here you have your Slack connected with your Copper CRM. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and click on settings and further customize the integration. Like the status update, whether you put the updates, warnings, and the general opportunity updates. All right. As you can see here by default, that's what we have selected earlier. The channel will be general. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.